The main one is thinking in the box just for yourself. If you drive on a three lane road, you eat a banana, you throw banana skin out of the car. What do you think? I came across a lot of accident happening out of that. Like throwing, especially the drunk people. They can have a tin of a drink and just throw it anywhere and then stick in front of another car's windscreen, and it disturbs. So it's selfishness. I will call it. It's selfishness, and I'm so sorry to use this, and stupidity. That is so stupid. But where is it starting from? My grandkids, my kids, need to be taught by me whatever is to be done correctly and whatever is not to be done. If I drive always with my kids, with my grandkids or whoever, allow them to do that, what am I telling them? So if we can go out there, schools, congregations, maybe even malls, preach that word. Guys, we got this problem. We need to solve it this way. Here is the tank of bottles. Here is the plastic bottle container. Here is the paper container. Ice cream stick. Whatever, please put it there. We'll find ourselves having a very clean country, one. A very, very, very healthy country, two. And the third one, we will be making good business out of it. That is one thing I'm sure of. But if we don't teach our kids properly, we will be letting this thing go. And we will be having problems now and then.